Hi, my name is Brendan Zimmer, and I want to welcome you to my Bing Ads course. Really, this course is designed more or less for beginners on if you're interested in learning another really different method on how you can advertise online while really finding a way on how you can save a lot of money in the process. Now, say compared to Google Adwords, Bing can be a great alternative for you in your business. Really, whether you're trying to promote a website, whether you're trying to promote maybe some kind of sales page online, just about anything that you can think of, you can get that promoted through Bing Ads. Now, what's great too is I'm going to be showing you really what I've been able to do on Bing Ads for now over about a year as far as the data that I've been able to do and really collect and all the different strategies I've learned to best optimize your Bing Ads. So I really want to share with you all of this information. That's really what's going to be in the course, is just my personal experiences, things to kind of look out for, and my strategies. All those kinds of things are going to be exactly really in this course to help you get off to an absolutely great start to using Bing Ads. If that sounds something that you'd be interested in, then I definitely encourage you to then enroll into this course, and then I'll see you in the inside of this course to really get started on your Bing Ads adventure. So I'll be here along the way. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know really throughout this whole course. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks so much, and I'll see you inside.